Hey there. Today my coffee grinder jammed and we've got to go and fix it. Last time it jammed, it was because there was a rock that had gotten lodged inside of the grinder. It had to be replaced. It was not a good time. I'm hoping that the grinder's still okay. But we don't know. What am I going to do without coffee? Let's go on a little adventure together and figure out what's going on. Okay, so this is the Eureka Libra. It is a grind by weight grinder. This is my favorite grinder. We have our caffeinated beans in there. Yeah, it's been working fine until one day it just started making quite a horrible grrr noise. It's not grinding anymore. I've tried turning it on and off again, and I've tried giving it a bit of a shake. It seems like something's lodged in there. So let's have a look and see what's going on. Okay, so let me show you what's been happening. Turn on the power switch. So usually you press this button and it just grinds it for you. So this is the horrible noise that it makes. You put in the portafilter, press the button. Clearly not working right now. It makes horrible electronic noise, whereas usually it would actually grind coffee. Okay, so one of the first things we'll need to do is we will need to put in this little slider. Oh, okay, and then we can start to take the coffee grinder out. And we can just lift out the grinder. Oh, it's heavy. First, we need to take out all of the beans. My camera just ran out of battery. Really wants to join in the video. Can't really see much of anything. Okay, let's just plug it in and see if it's any better yet. Oh, it is spinning. Right, so I think what's happening is that it's just too wide open to grind. Let's test that theory. Let's try and grind some beans. Put this in. And there we go, we've got some coffee. So it just seems to be working again, which is really weird. I'm not sure why that is.
Oh, you fixed it.
You think?
Yeah, you fixed it with the vacuum cleaner. Might have dislodged something.
Weird.
Fixed it, that's the important
Well, we've got a coffee machine again, or a coffee grinder.
And these are the bad beans.
Yeah, those beans are contaminated.
The bad beans. bad beans.
They're happy again. Like there's no ground up bits of rock.
Tasty rock. Makes me hungry.